What's going on, guys? It's ChaosHunta here, back with a new unboxing video with this Uhuru mic, the UM-910, and it's a microphone set, and it's not clamp on, it just sits on our desk. And yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, this is priced at $60.99, so if you compare it to like the Yeti stuff, it's a bit cheaper. So some foam. So if you watch my previous video of my my clamp-on one of the mic, it's not like that. It's sort of the same but a bit different. So let's just get the main stuff out. So the packaging, like the foam bit, is quite crammed together. That's one down a bit, but it's okay. Here's the adapter and the mic. And so underneath here, this bit, not quite sure what it's called, and the actual stand, which is quite heavy. But that's a good thing because it won't be falling off your desk, and it is, I'm not quite sure, I think it's metal maybe? Yes, metal, but it's quite heavy. That's how heavy it is. So guys, I'm gonna quickly build it, and yeah, let's build it and then I'll come back to you. So guys, moving on to the review now. And so the pros of this is it's quite cheap. So if you want a Blue Yeti mic and you don't want to pay £100 plus, you can get this for £70, which is quite cheap because you don't really see any other, well, you don't see any other mics which are as good as this on the market right now. And also the good thing is that it has like a good weight on it at the bottom, it will like stay on your desk, so it won't really move as easily. But one of the cons are that I wish I had a mute button. If you watch my previous video, the link will be in the description for that. It had a mute button, so I wish it had that, and maybe a volume control button, but mainly the mute button. But apart from that, it's quite good. The link will be in the description for this as well. And guys, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you all in the next video.